Hi, this is Frank Walker of Frank Walker Law, and I want to talk to you briefly about landlord-tenant rights in Allegheny County. Now, we all know, we've all seen the movies and the shows about bad landlords and bad tenants and people breaking in the doors and getting people out of there. And we've seen videos and all the shows about hoarders and different places. We're not talking about those nightmare situations. I want to talk generally about your rights as a tenant. Now, if you're renting a house or renting an apartment in Allegheny County, there are certain rights that come with that. It's your right of a warranty of habitability. Very legalese word, but what does that really mean? It means that the place is suitable for someone to live in. It can't have like holes in the roof or holes in the walls or be dirty and nasty or not have any place to close the door, things like that. It must be reasonably habitable. That's a tongue twister. What that means is it can't have just any old place and have it set up as it and throw a door on it and say it for rent. No, it can't be like that. It must be reasonably suitable for a person to stay there as a tenant. Also, your rights as a tenant. Your landlord can't just come busting up in the house anytime they want to. They have to have a little bit of notice. They have to give you notice before they enter the place. It may be their property. They may own the house, but they have to give you notice before coming in your house. Also, they can't just shut off the utilities because you didn't pay your rent or you were behind on your rent or you were a couple days behind on your rent. They can't just come in and say, you know what, I'm going to shut off all your utilities because it's my house, it's in my name. No, you have rights as a tenant. Additionally, they can't harass you for rent. Show up at your door. Okay, it's the first of the month. It's 12 o'clock at noon. Where's my money? They can't continually harass you time and time again. And you don't want those people as a landlord. If you are having issues with your landlord in Allegheny County, there is a resource line you can call. Get a pen. You ready? It is 412-350-4046. I repeat that. 412-350-4046. That is the renter's assistance hotline to file a complaint or to complain about any issues with your landlord in Allegheny County. Let's say they shut off the utilities or they are harassing you. They're requiring different deposits, or they're changing your rent, or they're selling the place and they're saying you have to vacate simply because they've sold it to someone else. There are certain rights that come along with you being a tenant, and they have to adhere to those rights. They can't just do anything simply because they own the property. If you feel you are being harassed by your landlord in Allegheny County, please call that hotline, 412-350-4046. As always, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, reach out to me via the number below. But if you have any issues or complaints, reach out to the hotline at 412-350-4046. Thank you.